came into my life like a shining light, turning all my darkness into something bright. Every little moment with you feels gold, a story of love that never gets old. We move like the breeze on a summer night, soft and steady, calm and right. And in your eyes I can clearly see a future built for you and me. It's our golden love affair, so sweet, so rare. Every word, every touch means so much. It's our golden love affair, nothing else compares. With you I know her love can glow. Your tender love lights up my way. No need for worry, no need for fear. Your heart is the place I hold so dear. I never knew our love could feel this strong, like a melody that keeps playing on. And if the years go rolling by, I'll still be holding you close tonight. It's our golden love affair, so sweet, so rare. Every word, every touch means so much. It's our golden love affair, nothing else compares. With you I know her love can glow. And when the world slows down, we'll still remain a golden love that lives through rain. No change, no time can steal this flame. It's our